Driving in my car right after a beer. A Dodge bomb, it's shaped like a monkey. DUI, help out, you die. I go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I'm filled up with gas. I'm a green in front of a big gas.